My name is Bear. I'm 20 years old. Decided to come to Peru a long time ago, and knew kind of this last year that I wanted to work with Mother Ayahuasca, and knew that I wanted to come to the jungle to do it, and knew I wanted to spend time really finding the right place. I didn't want to rush anything, and I just kind of found La Luna after looking through many different retreats and just ayahuasca experiences, and right away I just knew from the website and from the shamans and just the energy that was put into the website that this is where I wanted to be and where I wanted to come experience ayahuasca and the healing of ayahuasca. So that's how I got here. That's how I found La Luna. It was, for myself, it was so beautiful, so beautiful, so healing. I think just from the moment I got to the space, I just knew it was where I could surrender to the medicine and be in trust with the medicine. And on the first night of ceremony, we get to speak our intentions and have our moment with the shamans, and just kind of talk to them about, that, like, what we're coming here for and what's on our kind of healing plate. And I came here with more of like the mindset of really just focusing, of course, on my healing and the things that have been, swirling around my energy, holding me down and holding my energies down, but really just trying to focus on patience in the sense of lacking mentality and knowing that, this existence is abundant if you allow it to be abundant. And so I spoke those intentions to Jack and Don Benino, our maestros for the week, and right away, as soon as Jack started talking, before I even had the translation from Hendrik, I just knew I could trust and be in surrenderment with the medicine. Jack's voice, Jack's like, bien hermano, like just like so relieving to any nerves or fears that might have been coming up. And it was really apparent right away that they work with God and they work with just like light and love, and they're really here for us, here for our healing, and that kind of just like set in the surrendering to the medicine for the week. So from the moment of the first ceremony, I was able to just speak to Mother Ayahuasca just intentions of trust. Like every single time I sat, I didn't come in with really these long thought out intentions. Basically, when I got my cup, I just spoke to the medicine that I surrender to you, I trust you, I have faith in the healing that you'll bring me, and that you'll bring my brothers and sisters in the Maloka. And it came to fruition, very strongly came to fruition. Man, right away, like these purges that were coming out, very beautiful, very strong. I love the purge now. I can say that I am a big fan of purging and the purge and the release that comes with it. And I would have these conversations with grandmother where I would ask her what's coming out, like what are you working with inside of me, and almost always she would always let me know, like, this is the energy of your parents, the trauma of your parents instilled in you. This is the energy of an ex-partner that's in you. This is, this experience in your childhood, whatever it was. She was very responsive. So from the night of Tuesday ceremony, I was able to really start making the connections and making space. It just felt like every single time I purged, more space opened up for like love to be within my being. That's exactly how it felt with the purges. So every single ceremony I had was very, very much in love, even within the suffering and the darkness. And she illuminates things that we're going through, and illuminates things that the world is going through. That Mother Earth, Pachamama, is going through, that the children and the mothers are going through. And for me, it was so beautiful to just be in the grief state for Mother Earth, in the grief state for what's going on our planet right now, and in the human family. Within my experience, she was always like right there holding my hand, like through the darkness, and allowing me to like shift that darkness into light, and shed prayer on whatever darkness I was feeling. And I would say Tuesday was definitely probably my best ceremony when it came to just the connections, just being like so bathed in love and the love of God, and really connecting with Maestro Don Benigno and Jack, especially Don Benigno. Like, so much reverence for Don Benigno. 80 years old, been drinking the medicine for more than 70 years, and still like showing up for the healing of the people who come to this space. And I definitely, I like send that prayer out that he'll be able to continue this work for, however long, God allows him to, and just like blessing everyone who comes here, and like having so much trust in his work, because he's truly just a vessel of light and vessel of God. And yeah, just so grateful for Don Benigno and Jack and Guido and Leonardo and all the shamans and maestros who hold space here and hold space for our healing here. Yeah. But all in all, this by far the most healing week of my life. I've been on bliss flows and happiness flows where, the happiness and the bliss lasts however many weeks. But, it's not necessarily healing within those bliss flows and those happiness flows. But here, it was genuine, like, healing. Like, every single time I walked out of the Maloka, I could feel, like, just pounds of weight lifted off me. Just so much weight lifted on me, so much more space for me to evolve spiritually, and just true healing, like very, 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 like the essence of healing. And like I really like have come to the realization that ayahuasca, Mother Ayahuasca is one of the complete medicines of the world. She's truly a complete medicine, working at your mental level, physical level, and your spiritual level. Like really, like working with these three consciousnesses, three bodies, and like really bringing harmony to them and healing them at all the different levels. So just so grateful for my week here. Vessel of God Creator. Vessel